Now, a lot of times with lawns, we talk about the big three. That's nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. But really, iron is the fourth in that equation. If you have an iron deficiency, your lawn, no matter how much work, no matter how much effort, it's never going to give you that lush green appearance that we want. Hi folks, Spray Daddy here. That beeping sound can only mean one thing, that my delicious microwave steak tartare is finally ready. Welcome to part 6 of my 10-part series on microwave cooking. Today I'm going to be... Not microwave? Oh, okay. Today, on Coping with Senility, I'm going to be discussing the very serious topic of... No?
No! God, please, no! No!
Oh, okay. Folks, today we're going to be talking about liquid iron. This magic solution can give your lawn the green boost that it needs. And you can apply it several times a year, every 2 to 3 months as needed. It's easy to apply, and we're going to talk all about it and show you how to install it on your yard today on Spray Daddy. Check it out. All right, I've got all the supplies that I need to apply liquid iron to my grass. Now, the first consideration is going to be weather. Today is a perfect day to apply liquid iron. There isn't a breeze, there isn't a lot of wind, there's no rain in the forecast. It's going to be a beautiful blue sky day. So I don't want to get it on myself. I don't want to get it on concrete because liquid iron can stain concrete. So I don't want wind, I don't want rain. But the beautiful thing about liquid iron also is that it can be applied any time of year. If you want a quick boost on your lawn in February, if you want a quick boost on your lawn in August or November, it doesn't matter. You can apply liquid iron anytime. The other great thing is you're going to see almost instant results. 2 or 3 days, you will see a boost in your lawn, that bluish, greenish hue that we all love to see in grass. You're going to get that if you apply liquid iron to your lawn.
Nice. Now,
the other thing to consider is proper measurement. Now, I'm going to do another video about how to calibrate this HD 4000. It's super simple. It won't take long at all. But I've calibrated this, and I'm going to be applying 2 ounces of liquid iron per gallon of water. Now, in my other videos, I mentioned that I always like to put the water in first, and then the solution, and then mix. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to take my liquid iron and a solution of 2 ounces per gallon. I've got 2 gallons, so I need 4 ounces. I'll pour that into my measuring cup. And then I'm going to pour that into my HD 4000 with the 2 gallons of water. Now, a lot of times with lawns, we talk about the big three. That's nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. But really, iron is the fourth in that equation. If you have an iron deficiency, your lawn, no matter how much work, no matter how much effort, it's never going to give you that lush green appearance that we want. So liquid iron, when applied to our grass, any time of year, is going to give us a boost. So let's get to it. You want to put 4 to 8 ounces of this solution mixed at 2 ounces per gallon. So there's a maintenance as well. This can be applied on ornamentals, it can be applied on shrubs, it can be applied on small trees, and it can even be applied on large trees. And there's a whole different application method for trees. And then there's foliar spray too. Foliar spray just means spraying the leaves of a plant to get the application that you want. Now for my HD 4000, I'm using the flat tip nozzle. This is definitely your go-to nozzle when you're doing applications that are pretty precise. This is going to give me a fan spray out to both sides. Like I mentioned earlier, I've got my eye protection on. I've got hand protection on. And I have sun protection as well, and I'm wearing my big floppy Spray Daddy hat too.
Yeah, boy.
So let's get some liquid iron going. Now the last thing I'm going to mention is you don't want to put liquid iron on when it'll stress your yard. If it's really hot out, 90, 95 degrees, I don't do liquid iron. If it's summertime, I do it first thing in the morning, or you could do it at night as well, in the evening, when you get a little bit of light left. So don't stress your lawn when you're trying to make it green. You want to do it when it's cooler out. Okay, let's get started. I try to keep the application even by following the stripes in my yard from the last time that I mowed. Now, I just mowed a couple days, so I've got nice fresh stripes to follow along with. I'm a big guy, but I still keep the spray in between my ankle and knee, closer to my knee, and I try and keep it level there so I'm getting the same application. I'm putting it out to my side so I'm not walking through, but you'll probably get some on your shoes, so make sure you're wearing something that's easily washable, rinsable. Liquid iron. Can't wait to see the results. It's a little dry here too, and that's not helping the color of my lawn for sure. All right, that about wraps her up. This wasn't intended to be a chemistry lesson, but I hope you learned something about PetraTools max strength liquid iron and how easy it is to apply to your yard. Give it a try, and while you're at it, give me a like, give me a subscribe, and hopefully I'll get to my 2 billion subscribers. I'm hoping for every man, woman, and child in North America and South America subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. Keep spraying.